welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you guys have been following along on my health journey, here are a few videos that I've done where I just talk about how I've been wanting to tone up and feel more fit and healthy and confident for the summer, whatever the summer may look like. And so I thought it'd be cool to bring you guys along on my week of at-home workouts, because obviously can't go to the gym. I'm a big class girl. Like, I love going to boutique fitness classes. Haven't been able to do that in over a month, almost 2 months. And so I've been having to improvise and look up and do a lot of at-home workouts. And I want to see if I actually see results from doing at-home workouts. I also want to put out a disclaimer that if you are younger viewing, or really at any age, I highly recommend talking to your doctor or a trusted person in your life about your health and fitness goals. Whether it's to lose weight, to gain muscle, whatever your health goals may be, talk to them with someone else, get some outside perspective. I don't want anyone to be creating unhealthy habits or thinking they have to lose weight or work out every day in order to be healthy or to be beautiful. Like, that is not what this is about at all. And so I just want to put that disclaimer out there. So now let's get on to what am I actually going to be doing at home. So I am happy to say that this video is sponsored by Flat Tummy app. Honestly, I didn't really know what to expect at first. I've used other at-home workout programs. I watched maybe YouTube videos, and I didn't know how having an app would affect my at-home workouts. But I tried it out for 7 days before even agreeing to the sponsorship, and really loved how easy they make it to follow. And it definitely makes my days stress-free, as I know I have a resource to go to for my workouts and for healthy meal ideas. The app has a few different sections. So when you open up, you have your workouts. They have workouts for full body, core, a squat challenge, lower body, and upper body. And then you have beginner, intermediate, and advanced challenges all within that. And when you click on each one, you'll say it gives you 30 days. So let's say you want to do a 30-day intermediate squat challenge. It gives you the exact exercises you need to do every day, and even rest days included. Each day when I kind of figure out what exercise I want to do, I just click and it shows me what exercises I would be doing for that day, so I can get a feel, know what I'm getting into, and be prepared when I press start. They have over 450 different workouts, so you're never going to get bored. You'll always be changing it up. And then the meal plan has over 750 healthy recipes, and you can choose if you want them to be standard diet or vegetarian, vegan, and keto. And they have recipes for every time of the day. You can have a meal plan where it tells you exactly what to eat for every meal, or if you want to do what I do, I just go on there whenever I'm kind of feeling bored with my current meals and I want to maybe make a different breakfast today, or create a healthy snack or healthy dessert to eat later. So it's great to have that. There's also a progress section. So I love taking progress photos. Like I said, I try to track myself off of photos instead of just measurements, but you can track your weight, you can track your pictures and kind of see your own progress. There's also a community section, which is awesome if you're new to the health and fitness world. It can be really great to get advice from their blog, and also a community through the social aspect. It's like their own social media just for health and fitness inspiration. So if you're looking for an app to keep you guys on track during this time, I have a 7-day free trial for you all, which I will have the link to in the description box. And as I go throughout this week of at-home workouts, you'll see some of the workouts as I incorporate them into my at-home fitness routine. Let's get started with my week of at-home workouts. All right, so it's day 1. I'm feeling pumped and ready to go. I need to do 3 of the Flat Tummy at-home workouts a day, which will equal around 30 minutes a day of at-home workouts. And then maybe a few times a week I'll throw in some cardio. I'll let you guys know what I do. Also eating healthy, but not crazy healthy. You guys know my diet from my what I eat in the days and vlogs. I try to eat healthy, but definitely not a fitness or health influencer. So today I think I'm gonna do core, either squat or lower body, because I just got a booty band, and then upper body. All right, day 2 is here. Let's go. Even though I ate some delicious Ghirardelli brownies last night, still feeling okay today, but I'm ready to get in my workout. I honestly don't feel very sore at all today, so today I may amp it up a little bit so I can feel some good soreness tomorrow. We'll see. We're gonna do another ab workout, the core workout, lower body with this resistance band to add a little something something. Don't really feel like listening to music, so I'm gonna put on a podcast while I do today's workout. Hair is an absolute mess, but welcome to day 3. And I've just been doing stuff for finals all morning. We are going to get my workout in now. So I really feel like warming my body up because I'm really cold too. So I think I'm going to do 20-ish minutes probably on our stationary bike. It's nothing fancy. We've had it for years and it's in this storage room. But gonna do that while I watch some YouTube and then get into my flat tummy app workouts. So I'll probably do today, of course, a core one and then an upper body and the squat challenge.
Got work to do. It's Monday. I literally have no idea how this got here, like at all. Put it away.
See the sweat? It is a real deal. 30 minutes of strength through the app, 30 minutes of cardio or 20 minutes of cardio. It'll get you. I was also in a pretty foggy mood beforehand, but now I'm already feeling much better. So it just proves a good workout can really get those endorphins going. Time for a shower. What's up, guys? It is day 4? And little update, I got new tennis shoes in the mail, new running and training shoes. It's really rainy out. I did just clean up my room, which you can see me in the mirror, which makes me feel really good and got me moving a little bit this morning. A lot of Sundays I do take a rest day, but since I have some extra time today and I'm feeling a little motivated, I thought I would do a workout. So I'm going to do a little bit of yoga stretching, just like stretch out my back. Just do a little bit of time on the bike and then just maybe 1 or 2 workouts through the Flat Tummy app. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I wanted to share about my new shoes and tell you guys I'm making myself move even though I'm not feeling too hot. Decided to take my rest day on the Flat Tummy app today and just do some workouts from YouTube instead, and 250 calories burned total and about 45 minutes of working out. So feels good. Now I'm going to shower and get to some work. Hey guys, so we're going to take a break from the workouts and I am going to be doing some cooking with you guys. So I'm going to use the Flat Tummy app meal section to make these no-bake mint chocolate protein bars that sound so good, and I have all the ingredients here and it only takes 25 minutes. So we are going to make these together. We're going to need dates, nuts, protein powder, cocoa powder, peppermint extract, milk alternative or milk, and sea salt, which we have. So let's get started.
Yippee-ki-yay, high five, a lady coming in my life. give me 1 minute. I'ma find a pretty patio off of the side, and we killing some time, but they never gonna find me, I'm hiding. Give me 9 lives, give me 1 shot. I'll be sitting pretty in the saddle outside. Every time there's a 50-50 chance that the sun's hot. You know I'm the one though, born in the one.
Alright, I sprinkled some sea salt on top, and now it is time to put in the freezer. My background right now is so pretty. It looks like a green screen, but sorry I forgot to vlog yesterday. I was doing finals and stuff, and I just did like an hour workout in my room, and then went on like a 30-minute walk. Yeah, 30-minute walk in the evening with my mom. I'm officially done with school. I have my last final this morning, and it's sunny out. It's getting warmer, so I'm gonna do a workout out here in our gorgeous backyard, which I'm so thankful to be able to work out here in Tennessee. It's sunny and spring, even though normally I'd be like hanging out with my friends last day of classes or finals type of deal. I'm still gonna try to make it feel like a summer day. I'll probably do a full body, do some core, squats, and booty band work. So that is what I'll be working on. Okay, let's do this. And I'm excited to show you guys the change of scenery too, because I know it's been kind of the same in this video so far. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna edit this to make it entertaining, but here we go. I had one of my best at-home workouts today. I think doing it outside really helped get my heart rate up and sweat more. But about 47 minutes, I'm like shaking my body. Shaking, but 323 active calories, so I feel really good about it. Alright, I believe it is day 6. It is very late in the day today, 4:30, like total opposite of yesterday. It's workout schedule, but I am really in the mood to run because it's like cool out, but it just started raining. So as soon as I got ready and I kept my eye makeup on, I took my face makeup off because I spent some time doing it today for filming and didn't want to take it off. We'll see how gross it gets. So I think what I'm going to do is a little bit of a warm-up with the Flat Tummy app, something like that, and then we'll see if I can get in a quick run. I don't run a lot, probably just a mile and a half. I used to run more, but yeah. Okay, that is the plan for today. Tomorrow we'll make it a full week. I'm excited. So I thought I would finish this video out kind of where I started. I was going to say I apologize in this video for looking like a hot mess the whole time with my hair like this and no makeup on, but the truth is when I'm working out at home, I'm not going to put on makeup, and honestly just being at home and it being start of summer, I just don't wear a lot of makeup on the normal day anyway. But I want to say thank you for watching. I hope this video inspired you to maybe go get in a workout for yourself, because you deserve it. You're gonna feel amazing after. And honestly, doing workouts straight for 7 days, I feel very confident, I feel stronger, and I still got to enjoy foods that I liked. I mean, I got to make healthy foods as well, like those protein bars that were so good. But I also didn't deprive myself, because I knew that I loved my body, and whether I work out or whether I eat something not super healthy, I'm still gonna love it no matter what. And so that is the mentality I am trying to get to, especially for the summer, when it's easy to compare ourselves to other people. Let me know if you liked this style, if you'd want to see anything similar to it, or this again maybe in a few weeks. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below your thoughts. All right, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.